You know, we always talk about insurance whenever we have any type of natural disaster, so we brought in Gordon Ito today to talk about what you need to know, what homeowners should be doing. And there's a difference whether you have a homeowner's insurance policy versus a hurricane insurance policy.
Yes, there's significant differences. When the Central Pacific Hurricane Center issues a warning or a watch for an island, a particular island, then it triggers a hurricane policy, and therefore coverage under your homeowner's policy will be null. But if a hurricane warning or watch is not issued for your island, then your losses because of wind will be covered under your homeowner's policy. And so we encourage consumers to understand that, homeowners to understand the differences. In the case of Hurricane Isabel, for the Big Island, a hurricane watch and warning was issued, and therefore it triggered a hurricane policy. Many people had only homeowners policy, so losses from the wind was not covered because the hurricane policy was triggered.
And then, to add to this formula and make it just a little bit more complicated is flooding, which is completely different.
Yes, and again, flood because of storm surge is not covered typically under a homeowners or hurricane policy, so that's an additional policy that you would have to have flood coverage.
Okay. What about if you're a renter? What should you do? Renter's insurance.
Yeah, I mean, it's encouraged. I mean, if you're subject to potential losses, I mean, consider purchasing renter's insurance to cover your contents contained within your home or your condo.
And also if your condo or your home gets damaged and you have to go find another place to stay, would that be covered under your renter's insurance? Or
many of the policies contain loss of use, where they'll provide some living expenses in the event that you have to move out and find an alternative living place until the repairs occur.
Let's talk about the timeline here, because a lot of times when we talk about a hurricane or a tropical storm that is approaching Hawaii, and if you live on the mainland, wherever, can you get a policy right then and there?
No, many times as a storm or threat approaches, insurance companies put a moratorium. And so there is a moratorium for Hurricane Anna right now placed by some insurers. There's some insurers that still may be writing. That was also the case in the case of the lava flow. As the lava flow was approaching, a moratorium was placed. So those who didn't have a policy couldn't buy a policy, but those that had a policy, the moratorium, just to be clear, doesn't cancel your policy if you have one in place.
Gordon Ito, thank you so much for coming in. News we can use, definitely now. Always be prepared ahead. Again, thank you for joining us this morning.